All right, here we go. We're rolling. World of Concrete 2026, day 2. Kerry Coburg. He's been in a few videos. He's a natural, backed by popular demand.
Let's go, Scott.
And here we are. So we got the whole array of Dika products. What do you want to go through? Let's start with the LevelRight pad, because there's been a couple of upgrades to it since the iteration that I've showed in my videos.
What's going on, Scott, and the Concrete Pumping Association world? So LevelRight, 2-piece. We've got 4 sizes, 12-inch, 24, 30, and 35. The 2-piece design keeps things lightweight. This internal gear here takes all the shear force. The pocket locks into that. Put it down on the ground, and now you're able to adjust and create.
And if you see here,
concept in 2 planes.
it's just like basically 2 wedges of pie, right?
Yeah,
Two slices of cheesecake.
2 slices of cheesecake.
Yeah, and you just and there's that. We'll talk about that later in the video. There's more to come with that. Okay.
So nice ratings here. Each piece on the 24-inch weighs 25 pounds, 50 total. This will support 350,000 pounds. The 35-inch will take 450,000.
And that's the crush rating.
That's your vertical capacity.
Okay, and the previous version.
Crush rating is actually going to be 800 psi.
Okay, the previous version was the 24-inch pad was actually bolt-through design.
Correct.
And there were a lot of comments, guys, asking, well, when you get dirt and grit inside there, how's it going to rotate? Well, you kind of bolt it apart, but this one is a 2-piece. So if you get dirt and grit in there, I mean, you take it apart to load it and unload it anyhow.
Absolutely.
And this little nub bolts through, and then it rotates in the pocket there. Easy to clean.
And you even
low
have,
maintenance.
it says top pad and bottom pad.
Even comes with instructions
for keeping things.
for people like me. It's got instructions.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay, so we've got that.
So LevelRight.
What is this?
This is a hole cover. This is a sample of a hole cover. If you got guys in hydrovac, if they're exposing utilities, we've got hand movable temporary hole covers in sizes as small as this, as big as
so you're not messing around with the heavy steel.
Heavy steel, sheets of plywood. It'll be a custom size coming up. This is what it says right now. We'll have one that says hole or hoyo.
Okay.
Lots of utilities, general contractors.
Yeah.
Huge market for this coming up.
Okay.
So anytime you got an exposed hole, you want to keep people.
And this, what is it? This is like a composite.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's sturdy.
Yeah. It'll have up to a 500 pound
Whoa,
rating.
look at that. Yeah.
I mean, it's 250 right there. 240.
Okay. Yeah, you're not falling in the hole.
A little slow.
More on that later, but yeah, we've established that Kerry is maybe not as fast as some other folks. Talk more about that later.
All right, so now you got your base Dika products that we're known for. SafetyTech, hand movable, portable, a 42x2, fantastic 1-piece pad.
42x2. What's the weight on this guy?
92 pounds.
92 pounds, under 100 pounds.
Yeah, under 100 pounds, 110,000 pound load rating. We have a 3-inch thick product here to give you an example of what 3 inches in this product will look like and how it'll perform. Now keep that in mind. We're going to move over to a product you love.
Now, can we talk about the 3-inch though?
Oh, actually, absolutely. Sorry.
So from what I remember before, when you add that extra 1 inch of material, right, it increases the stiffness exponentially. So if you had a 2-inch pad and stacked a 1-inch pad on top of it, it's not as rigid as having 3-piece. And it's by a large margin. I wish I remember
like
the engineering numbers. It's a significant. So if you're after rigidity, getting that extra inch of thickness.
And rigidity is going to be resistance to bending, right?
Right.
So
yes, resistance to bending.
And it's going to help you spread your load.
Correct.
Because it's not, conforming or folding up or bending. So anything from, in the concrete pumping world, 24x2s, 24x3s, up to 48 or 60-inch rounds. So
okay.
SafetyTech.
So that's tried and true SafetyTech.
Tried and true SafetyTech. So the weight rating too. So here's a nice setup. You do a lot.
This is like exactly what we use.
47 meter that you have.
40, like a 41 meter and smaller. This is what we go to. Yep.
Yeah. So you got your standard. This is an OEM pad or the Dika pad with the circle recess on it as your top pad.
I love the circle recess to lock that foot in.
Yep.
Right.
And now you got 18x48 pieces, 70 pounds a piece.
Yeah.
Right. And this is essentially portable steel.
Yeah, these are the ones. Are they even 70? I thought they were lighter.
They're 70 pounds.
Oh, maybe I'm just exceptionally strong.
Well, I mean, some say.
I mean, it didn't look like 70 pounds, but yeah.
Be a bodybuilder.
Everybody's got a past. So these are. Do you remember offhand what the actual part number is? Because everybody wants to know what's the part number.
This is the FTR. Excuse me. This is the FT1848-S.
Okay.
So the S is a suitcase handle.
Stand for suitcase handle.
FiberTech 18-inch by 48 by 1 with a suitcase.
And the suitcase handles are critical because I find you can then pack one. It's actually easier to pack one in each arm because it balances the back out, is what I find. But definitely you want the suitcase handles.
Do the Scott Sutherland.
Look at
technique.
Okay, now lift them right out to the side and hold them there. Strongman. Can you do it?
There's none of that.
That'd actually be a good contest for the booth next year, wouldn't it be? Okay. Well, at least you're an honest man. I like that. I think a lot of that has to do with you being humbled yesterday in the race. Once again, we'll talk more about that.
Yeah,
there was a race.
FiberTech multi-pad, FiberTech solid one-piece.
And this is a 42-inch?
This is 42 by 1. Yeah.
And the 42 by 1 versus the 42 by 2 SafetyTech, what's the weight difference? What's this one?
It's gonna be pretty close in weight. It's a little over 100 pounds, I believe, and that one's 92.
And this figure I do remember. So FiberTech material at 1 inch thick was 2.4 times as rigid as SafetyTech material in 2 inch thickness. So far more rigid. That's why I love the FiberTech stuff. Unless I'm doing multiple layers of pads, I like the FiberTech because it's a lot stiffer. Well, no problem tossing this down. I would probably throw a 24 by 24 pad on top still. That's just kind of what we like to do. But this, I love this material. What's SafetyTech is lifetime warranty?
Yeah, all these are.
FiberTech is lifetime warranty too. Okay. Okay, good to know.
If you break it, we'll replace it. And honestly, there's breaking this kind of stuff. It's
yeah, we have stuff we've been running for 13 years now.
As long as you're using it as intended.
Yes. Well, we've used ours under the tires and we've been stuck. We've had some usage which was not necessarily what it was intended for, but it's yeah, very robust.
Understood. This is our slot lock cribbing products. You use these, right?
Ton of videos with these. I love these. 41 meter pump and smaller. I like these smaller ones. A little bit easier to store on the pump. Getting into the bigger booms, I like these larger ones just because you got a little larger area.
Yep.
And these ones
accommodate up to a 24-inch float. These are an 18-inch is your foot or your float size.
Yeah, and float refers to the foot size, the pad size. So, and these lock together with these diamonds. These diamond nubs lock together, right? Yep. Whereas these guys lock together with slots. Yeah. Yep. Slot, lock.
Nice things on these, 29 pounds per block.
Oh yeah, so those are nice and light. What I recommend with these is an option, get the handles on the side, right? 100%. These don't have it, I recommend.
We can do a handle like this. These are 55 pounds a block. It's 29.
Okay, so definitely get the handles on the sides of those for sure.
And this is cribbing timber, so this is recycled plastic, post-industrial waste cribbing.
Okay.
So cribbing blocks 4x4, 4x6, 6x6, and 6x8. 8 foot long and 12 foot long, or we can cut them down to size.
And those are mainly intended for building height, not so much for load distribution, right?
It's going to elevate static loads all day long, or you can put them underneath outrigger pads or steel plate or things that give you height.
Right, for height, but you would not necessarily want to rely on this as your base layer. Correct. Okay. As far as leveling a pump up, I've never been able to use, I think it's like 3 layers of this stuff. And the hopper is basically touching the ground. You can't go up any higher on the front end anyhow. So
yeah, it's 6 inches per layer. So you got 2, 6, 6. So you got basically what, 14 inches.
Yes.
1 foot, 2 inches.
And the key thing is, you calculate how much timber, individual timbers, it would take to stack the same height as this. If you're going maybe 1 level higher, the setup time is greatly reduced compared to using timber. So that's why we are a big fan of these. Absolutely.
Yeah, so here's an example. I saw this set up here. I mean, that's kind of what folks are going to be doing out in the field.
Yeah. So you got to load and unload
nice safe setup, but that's a ton of pieces.
It is a ton of pieces. And then what do we got? What do you got here?
That you use a pad to get under a tire to keep them getting stuck.
Yes.
So Dika is now launching a new line of ground protection mats. So this is the Dika Ranger HD. It's a 4x8 half-inch thick ground protection mat. It's got built-in handholds, easy to move around.
Oh, that's light. What's the weight on that?
Well, it's just around 80 pounds.
Okay.
80 pounds.
And this is to replace people that be using plywood, basically?
Yeah, it's an easy replacement for plywood.
Okay.
100%. Any equipment you can drive over a half-inch to a 3/4 inch plywood, you can use for this. You've got a traction side, so this is a rubber tire traction side.
Yeah.
On the other side is a more pedestrian-friendly tread
not as
pattern,
aggressive.
or steel tracks.
Okay.
Yep. So it's that same one there. But
so that's the other side's for your Rolling Stones concert event, right?
There you go. Absolutely.
Right, and this side is for construction, trying to get equipment in and out.
There's a spot here where you can lock them together. We don't have the locks here, but you Go to our website, check it out.
So they don't separate.
You can connect them end to end. You can also connect them in a kind of a platform or a dance floor.
Oh, right on.
So you can create a whole section with this flooring.
And what is the material on this? Is it similar to like a...
This is going to be an HDPE.
Okay.
So it's different than our other Outrigger.
Oh, it's different than this
Absolutely.
stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
And then what this one is for like...
recycled product. When it's done, you can fully recycle it, return it back to its... Turn it into something different.
Eco-friendly.
It's eco-friendly.
Okay. Utility cover? Or what is
this is another version of a ground protection mat called the Defender MD.
Oh.
This is going to be 3 foot by 6 foot. Instead of being a ½ inch, it's 1 inch thick.
Yeah.
Both of these have compression ratings of 100 tons.
Yeah.
So really this comes down to better rigidity. So similar to the FiberTech being
versus
more rigid
SafetyTech. Okay.
than SafetyTech.
Okay.
Defender is going to be more rigid than the Ranger, which means you can drive concrete pumps.
Oh, okay.
Cranes.
So this is a one piece. I was trying to figure out what was going on here.
Yeah. So this is set up. This has shoulders on it, so you can overlap.
Oh yeah, this is really heavy.
And connect them.
Yeah.
And create a large platform out of it. So it's heavy duty. It's 90 pounds.
Yeah.
And here's your different tread pattern.
And this would be for like big equipment?
Yeah, absolutely. But rather than having to bring out mats that you move with equipment, you can move these mats with personnel.
Right.
Manpower can move these mats. You can connect them all together, create a nice working flat form. So military applications, concrete pump applications, train applications, utility, right away building, all kinds of stuff.
So you guys cover all kinds of a diverse range of products here. We even got wheel chucks over here.
Yeah, we do a nice wheel chuck, absolutely.
I need a wheel chuck.
Yeah, well here's our site too. So I mean, I know you guys go to our site, but all of our products, we do crane pads that aren't listed here.
Oh, did you guys redo the site?
We do ground protection.
Or is this like a mobile site?
We're constantly evolving our site. Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, the site looks great.
Yeah, this is.
I have not. Yeah, I don't think I've seen this yet.
Yeah, spend some time. This is under our products section. So when you come to Dika, you're going to go to our homepage. You'll see some different products here, as long as it's working.
Okay, I'll put the link to the page in the description for the video too.
Yeah, spend some time. Most people are surprised at all that we do. We're a 35-plus-year-old family-owned and operated business out of Iowa. Remember, Dika is our parents, Dick and Carolyn. They started the company in 1988.
And it all started with a 24 by 24 square pad, right?
And now, as I told you, we started out, we told you last night, 7 out of 7 continents that we've sold to. So we're 7 out of 7.
We were talking about that.
And we talked about weather impacting things.
Because there's guys that mentioned with certain composite pads, they've had them shatter in cold conditions. Absolutely. And then Kerry mentioned that.
Yeah, so we're minus 40 to 180 Fahrenheit positive. We have users in Antarctica, and we have users in Africa and Egypt and Dubai, all the hot places. No issues with our product as long as you stay within that minus 40 to 180 range. So
yeah, you couldn't get more diverse than that in terms of temperature range. Yeah. Antarctica, I just love the sound of that.
It's pretty cool.
Do they pump concrete in Antarctica, or what do they do?
No, they wouldn't tell us. It was an exploration project.
It was classified.
The military, so that's
really?
all we know. Yeah.
Okay, that's all we know, and that's all we can tell you in the video. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's great. So that's the range of products here. I guess we've kind of been hinting it last night. We got a couple witnesses here.
How's your hamstring?
You guys want to be in the video? Sure. Be a witness?
Yeah.
Where did he go? Should we let him come? Did he bugger off for lunch? We should probably let him come back because we need his feedback.
We do have a videographer.
Okay, well,
so good.
Okay, so here's the story last night. So we were at Cheesecake Factory. Yes. This fine gentleman bought everybody dinner. Nice cheesecake. Requested the waitress triple down on the whipped cream, loaded me up nice and fat. Dollops. And then Harrison started proposing certain contests. Actually, no, you wanted me to race Harrison.
No, he wanted me to race first.
Said he was faster and stronger than you from the beginning, but go ahead.
That story is not correct.
So it was your idea, so I don't really feel bad for you.
Yeah, it was definitely Kerry's idea. So the idea was to race you.
Yes.
Correct. And Kerry said that.
But you're like a runner, and I don't want to race you. I don't want to race you.
No, right? But he wanted to race Kerry because Kerry was pretty competitive. And
well, Kerry was also on Pros versus Joes. Yes. We'll insert a link to the video. They'll run in with Herschel Walker, right?
For the whole clip, I let out a Kerry Coburn. Our finest.
You actually won Pros versus Joes.
I've raced the fastest man in the world at one point.
He did.
Gatlin, and I got a taste of Scott Sutherland, and I'm telling you, man.
I think
the real deal.
Yeah, it's like a missed career opportunity. Who would have known, right?
That's right.
So I'll put up the link for the video.
Ready, set, go!
Ready, set, go! Oh my God, he's fast! Oh my God.
I don't think we need to really talk anymore about it. People watch the video and it's pretty self-explanatory.
They'll watch the video, they'll see maybe a false start.
Everybody's watched it? Was there a false start?
I think I also noticed that you almost fell flat on your face. And
well, that's because you were so slow to start. I thought maybe I had false start, so I pumped the brakes a little bit. We had a lot of momentum going.
There was.
Eric, was there a false start? You've seen it. Did you even cross your mind?
Well, you got pretty big upper body mass, and I think that your top went faster than your bottom to start.
Well, yeah, it's just strategy, right? You just got to throw yourself forward. So it was not a false start. I mean, that's
it was a nice fair start. He was out of the box. Kerry was kind of left.
One of the comments on Facebook, other than my friends razzing me and calling me a dweeb, was that he nailed the start. So I mean, and I'll post the video up. We'll end this video with that.
There's a little protection. You know, I'm 51. How old are you?
46.
Okay. I'm a little bit more than a couple hundred pounds. How old are you? How heavy are you, sir?
About 210.
All right, so
yeah, but look at how long your legs are, man. Like
right.
your one stride is my two.
I was all about just not getting hurt at this point.
Excuses with this guy. Oh my gosh.
Hey, I gotta give you. Listen.
Well, I'm hearing a rematch. Is what I'm hearing.
You know what we should do?
Hey, could you post the photo that you showed me last night of your bodybuilding?
Well, that's another story.
Yeah.
I don't know that. Now I gotta edit the video. No, I won't. That's for a future video. See, actually, my voice just cracked. It made me uncomfortable. It really did.
Kind of like the Cheesecake Factory.
So on the theme of bodybuilding, so maybe for World of Concrete next year, two of these Dika pads.
Oh yeah.
Kerry's gonna demo it. Hopefully it's strong enough. You're gonna hold one out to the side.
We're gonna go here.
There'll be one in each arm, and whoever can hold it the longest is gonna win something.
That's right.
Or we should just do whoever can beat Kerry wins something.
That'd be a lot of people.
Okay, whoever holds it the longest. So World of Concrete next year, look for that, right?
Or maybe even Con Expo this year.
Maybe even Con Expo. These are 20 pounds a piece. We're probably gonna try and find something in the range of like 15 pounds. Yeah, 10 to 15 pounds. Okay. So if you're Con Expo, look out for the Dika Feats of Strength.
That's right.
You want to do the outro? You want to do it? We talked about this yesterday.
No, we didn't talk about it yesterday. Last year.
We didn't?
We did this. So tell me, show me again. Here.
And here.
And here.
There you go.
Here.
Beautiful. If you're World of Concrete, tomorrow, the final day of the show, come see the Dika guys and gals, rather. And if you're at Con Expo, you guys will, that's like the
festival lot.
That's the Super Bowl for you guys, right? Absolutely. Con Expo? Festival
we'll
lot.
have a bigger booth than this, believe it or not.
Okay.
We'll have more products. We'll have our crane pads. We'll have a full team.
Okay.
We're excited to see everybody at Con Expo. Festival lot out by the Lee Bear and Sandy Cranes.
Okay. And maybe you and I we'll have a rematch. Yeah. And if you beat me next year, World of Concrete, I'll show up in my posing trunks. but you got to apply the bronzer.
I might train.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Maybe you could have a bodybuilding competition.
Maybe. You want to join?
I know we're both competitive, but now this is just getting. Yeah. We went from PG to out there. Catch you on the next one.
Demo begin. Okay. Now, do you want it perfectly level?
Your elbow has to be at level with your shoulder or higher.
Okay.
So once you break the plane.
Yeah, once you break the plane.
Are you going to be here for like a minute or more, you think?
We could. You want to just call it now?
I just want to be prepared.
This guy
for how
is
long.
a shit disturber.
Is it hurting at all?
Well, my back hurts a little bit. I'm
Because
definitely
you're not
getting the
balanced.
shakes.
You're not
balanced,
proportional.
Right?
Yeah. Do you want us to pull down this arm?
No.
An appropriate poundage?
Are you a teapot?
Is your core engaged?
Whatever abs I have left are. Okay, it's definitely burning. I think the grip could be the first thing.
The grip. It seems like the shoulder's
Okay. He's shaking? Oh, he's shaking. There's some shakes.
That's hard. He's over a minute by now, right?
No. It'll be a minute. Oh, I think you just got to a minute.
I think you're a minute. That's
well,
impressive.
I think it's funny. You get to a point and it's just, oh my God.